it's a way of giving back din. Kasi syempre, yung mga supporters naman natin is not limited to the Philippines lang. Marami rin tayong mga kapusang Pinoy abroad. That's why we call them global.
For me, it's really important that we're hands-on dun sa mismo nga repertoire or yung mga songs na kakantahin namin. So, ako personally, I chose yung mga talagang malalapit sa puso ko. Especially, napakainit din kasi ng pagtanggap sa atin ng global Pinoys sa mga lupalop na mundo. So, ako sobrang excited talaga ako whenever I perform for our fellow kababayans abroad. Kasi gusto ko na, alam mo yun, nadadala ko yung Pilipinas sa kanila. Or like, dinadala ko sila again sa kanilang mga tahanan sa Pilipinas. So, I'm gonna be singing some of my favorite songs. More OPM songs.
Mag-rehearsal kami for some songs. Kahit na mahilig kami kumanta, talaga yung kanta walang hilig sa amin. But we'll do our best to give joy and happiness and some memories, making it with our fellow kababayan abroad. Makapagbigay ang GMA7 Kapuso ng ligaya sa mga kababayan natin sa ibang bansa. Partikular na sa San Francisco and Anaheim. Together with I'm honored and thankful to Sparkle being with talagang superstars of GMA and the Philippine Entertainment like si Alden and the group. So I'm excited at makakabakasyon ulit sa Amerika after the show. So I'll be around and visiting some family members and some areas also that we're going to with my wife.
Yes, may kasama, may plus.
May baon ako.
Oh, yun.
At saka si Will.
Motivation.
Si Will, kasama ko si Will.
Actually, yun nga, rehearsals for the show. And, ito yung marketing na nakakatuwa kasi parang since I started with GMA about 13 years ago, this is parang the first time na nagkaroon ng media conference for a show here in the Philippines bago lumipad. Kasi usually media conference nasa abroad na yun. So I think really Sparkle is really doing its due diligence when it comes to shows like this na nakakatawa kasi as opposed to before, di ba, na parang nandun na kami, saka lang mag-press con. At least maganda yung preparation na at least the people here are also aware that, Kapuso stars are flying to their countries to get it's a way of giving back din. Kasi syempre, yung mga supporters naman natin is not limited to the Philippines lang. Marami rin tayong mga kapusang Pinoy abroad. That's why we call them global Pinoys. And then, I really look forward to shows like this. It has been a while since my last international show with GMA. So, excited ako to go to those countries. Medyo marami na sila. Medyo sunod-sunod sila. Kung makikita niyo po, 9, 10, 11. Tinalon-talon ko po yung United States to Canada. But exciting kasi at least, objective naman talaga natin whenever we do shows like this is to really give joy and bring the Philippines, sabi nga ni Julian, bring the Philippines to our global Pinoys abroad. So excited po. We really should consider our OFW kababayans abroad heroes. Kasi the sacrifices that they have made for them to be in that country, layo sa pamilya, to earn a living, to sustain their family here in the Philippines. Kaya sobrang meaningful sa akin that I was able to portray a role ng isang OFW because I can relate more to them. So I can be more of service to them in terms of entertainment.